So Michael was a case of alopecia areata. So he had the patchy hair loss. There's the photos, as you can see. This is after. Oh, thanks. This is after. That's before. Okay. Don't know if where you're sitting you can see too well, but this one's a nice one to compare. It's quite easy to see. If you get a bit close, you can see the differences here. But I think this one and this one, if you're from a distance, you'll see the patchiness there and there. How long did Michael have the problem for?
So many years.
Long time.
Yeah.
Okay. And in about 2 or 3 months, he saw that result.
Yeah, after 2 months, when I think 2 months, and then you fix up the sock. Another 2 months. So after 4 months, he come back, and then the hair grow like that. But when you close, he do by himself at home. Now he went to Queensland. He do by himself because Louis he give the tablet for him. And now it's grow full.
So Michael's still doing the home use program because he's gone interstate to study. He's still using the products at home, and he's maintaining. And it sounds like he's even getting a better result because this is what he just said that that area has actually all filled up, which is great, even with the home use. So and so Michael did the pharmaceutical treatment. He went to the Western medicine doctor before and had some strong treatment before, didn't he?
No, because he had I think the tablet problem from he got lupus. Lupus. So he lost his hair.
Right. So that was the condition. Was William, to answer your question, he had lupus. It's a immune system disease.
It means like allergy of the sun. Allergy to the sun, and then now he can't under the sun too much, so he had to like take the
sunshine will kill the hair follicle.
And then he called my son come to try it on, and then he tried only 2 months. It's grow. Now it's full.
Has he changed his diet? Did he change his food? Did he eat different food?
No, the same.
So he's eating the same food.
He take the tablet, preganol is just protect his bone, not like destroy. And the hair loss, he can't do anything. So just see crack and bring here, and 2 months, and then his hair is growing.
Her son was on some strong anti-inflammatory medications for the lupus. Because that's one thing about the pharmaceutical. They I guess they're trying to treat the disease and not the hair directly. So with Michael, that was the priority was obviously to treat the lupus, the symptoms of it. But it just sort of he might have felt somewhat better with other things, but his hair just didn't help at all. So that's why Michael was able to come here, and we were able to, between the tonics applying externally and. We ended up being able to.
When he come here 2 months, it means like he come here twice a week. Twice a week to do the treatment. And then he have stay home do twice a day, morning and night. For treatment as well.
Great. Because he suffers from that condition, lupus. You often get what they call a butterfly rash here. It's just part of one of the symptoms of the condition. Since he's been on the herbal medication, she said that's actually a lot better, isn't it? You can hardly notice it. So his complexion looks better, and so that's what the Chinese herbs do. They actually work on your whole body health, not just. Obviously they're targeted for the hair, but those herbs have got so many other functions that are beneficial for your health. So. It's a great formula, as I said. It's an old formula in the history of Chinese medicine, but it's great for hair and also good for general body function and immune system and other things. So what did I say? So Michael, as Mrs. Lee said, he did the 2 treatments here in the clinic per week, 2 per week, plus his home use package. And I just mentioned there, he was prescribed the strong anti-inflammatory drugs, We'll have another one of our current clients. He's been seeing us since October last year and got a pretty good result. He's always happy to talk about his results, so we'll get Tony to come up. October last year, so that's 3 months, about 6 months, 7 months?
Yeah, about beginning of October last year. But because of renovation of the clinic here, it's 2 months. I think we restarted December again. So really 5 to 6 months. Yeah.
And Tony, you noticed the results fairly quickly. How long did you sort of know?
Because of my age, 67 years of age, it takes about 2.5 to 3 months to see the difference in my hair. I used to have a lot of hair, Kelly, beautiful hair. But 10-15 years ago, because of the extreme situation of my work, I was seafood wholesaler and we filleting fish in extreme temperatures. So to freeze the fish, open the single door, 33, 38, 40 below zero. So my hair starts losing my hair. So I left it too late because I was busy. Now I'm retired and through a friend introduced me here. Yeah, I'm very happy. Not because I'll regrow some new hair, but my existing hair, they're not falling anymore. So it's two good things happen to me. So as you can see, it's on top here, it was all empty. So here you are. What else can I say? Yeah.
Prior to this treatment, did you get some?
Come here once a week.
Yeah. No, what I mean is,
Yes.
did you use other hair regrowth treatment before?
No.
No.
No, I had no time, as I said. I work in day and night. So, yeah, no. But I'll use one treatment a week here, every Thursday, and once every day at home. 2 tablets in the morning, 2 tablets at night, no side effects or anything. Maybe I notice it. I'm talking about side effects. Bit itchy, sometimes a lot here, around, not on top, on the treatment. So I don't know if from the tablets or from the bottles. So use, I don't know. That's all side effect of God.
Yeah.
How do you feel physically?
Perfect.
Yeah, no change?
Always fit. As I said, I'm 67 and I can do anything. As I said, they start losing a little bit of my hair around about 14, 15 years ago. Just a little bit. I had a lot of hair, beautiful hair, curly hair. But because of the work, it's extreme, extreme, believe me, especially in summertime. Working on the bench, filleting shark, working at 36, 37, 38 degrees, plus work 40, 41 degrees, and all of a sudden open the door to put the fish into the blaster freezer, 40 below zero. You can imagine what's happening to my head, you know.